Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March the 6th, 2019, and I wanted to give you an update on how my eggplants are germinating and how they're doing. So these are both the swad right here, and they both did come up for me. Now this one here is getting its true leaves, so I'm going to be showing you today how to feed these. And this one over here is Matoya. That one's getting its true leaves. And we have Diamond. It's getting its true leaves as well. And in the back there is Ping Tongue. And over here is the other Matoya. Now, all of the Matoyas and the Aswad did come up for me. So I still have some in here germinating. I'm still waiting for the Rosa Bianca to come up and the little fingers, and I'm still waiting for the last two, the last Diamond and the last Ping Tongue to come up for me. So I am still doing the air exchange on these. I'm opening the container up, letting the fresh air come in, and I am still making sure that the top of the peat pellets are nice and moist so that they don't dry out and the stuff continues to germinate for me. Now my light is on for 14 hours a day. And I do have a fan running down here. I turned it down so I could do the videos. So there's two ways you can actually feed these. One way you can feed them is with a product called Seed Magic. It's an organic product. I will have a link down in the description for it. And I have fed my eggplant seedlings with that already, and it did very well for them. And an alternate way that you can feed them is by using Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. You want 1/4 of a teaspoon to a gallon of water, and you never want to feed a dry plant. You want to make sure that your soil is nice and moist, which these are nice and moist here. So I have my Miracle-Gro mixed up in this watering can here, and I'm just going to water the soil some here. That's enough there, and I'll do that on all the ones I have the true leaves. Now, I do feed my plants once a week, and by feeding your plants, that helps to establish a good root system and a healthy root system on them. So I'm going to show you here. Let me see here. Oops. And you can see the roots are actually coming out the bottom of this one. That's the swad. So I'm going to finish feeding these. I'll put these back under the light here. And as these continue to grow, and when I transplant them, I will come back with more videos. Now, I did an entire complete playlist last year on growing eggplants from seed to harvest, and that's on my channel, so you can check that out. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tries to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account, and you can get updates on seedlings and what's coming up and how plants are doing. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!